Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Muzi Sibiya's evidence and how Babu Zungu collaborated or corroborated, Yay, Kininja, you've messed up our heads. Corroborated Muzi Sibiya's evidence in chief and during cross-examination of Muzi Sibiya. So yesterday, Babu Zungu corroborated everything that was, in fact, this particular part of evidence is corroborated. Let me tell you why. Let's break it down. Before we do that, guys, please make sure that you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now, let's break this down. Umuzi Sibiya told the court that he knows Ubabu Zungu. He is a neighbor at his homestead at Emahlabathini. And also he says that he is not far away from where he stays, but Ubabu Zungu is from KwaNongoma. Usibiya is from Emahlabathini. Now, this is what they are. Someone came in a live on TikTok and explained that you can be at Emahlabathini and the other road. Then there is a sort of a lake kind of vibes. No, I don't know how to put it. Not a lake per se, but there is perhaps a dam or something that you pass by, and then it's Nongoma. So it's villages that are close by, but they are not far apart, perhaps 10 minutes, 15 minutes, perhaps. But that guy said the school that Muzi was referring to reports to another cluster, and the Nongoma side of things report to another cluster. So that means that one is Mahlabathini, this side is Nongoma. Now, Ubabu Zungu says he knows Muzi, and he says he knows Ndanzi. And he says Ndanzi is his cousin's child. So if Ndanzi says he doesn't know, which is also corroborated, because Zungu Junior did not grow up in that vicinity of Mahlabathini and Nongoma. He grew up at Newcastle. He used to visit KwaNongoma. So Ndanzi is very young. Chances of him not knowing him, 100% sure, because they are not in the same age group. And also, Umuzi said knows the first time he saw him, Junior Zungu, was 2017, and was told this is the child of that Babu Nhlahlezi Zungu. So he knew Babu Nhlahlezi Zungu. So then this child visited. That's how he knows him. But to say that he knows him, no, he doesn't. So that has been clarified by Babu Zungu. That's why I'm saying there's a corroboration. And then also, in that way, that means Zungu Senior, Sibiya, also, they did not lie. Ndanzi did not lie, because this father of Skhumbuzo Zungu is saying exactly what they say. So chances are that gents don't know Zungu. From a bar of soap, the other guys, the other three, chances are they don't know him. It looks like, especially number three. Number three seemingly is not from the same village like the other guys. Seemingly, he's not from the same village like the other guys. Now, this is what I want us to get into. The bottom line of this video is that one thing that happened, Ubabu Zungu corroborated a bit of Ndanzi's story, and also a bit of when it comes to knowing Zungu Junior. That story has been corroborated. So they did not lie. And also from knowing Zungu Senior, the Muzi Sibiya part has been corroborated. I like that. And Lobaba knows them because he can say he pointed at them that saying that is Muzi Sibiya Mfokantanzi Lona, my cousin's child. And it sounds as if it's a third or second cousin, not a closer cousin. But yeah, we will hear from that. Anyway, the other part that made sense is the Mbekiseni story, how he came into the picture. Maybe we should do a separate video for that too. The Mbekiseni story. So we're coming back now to Gininda, but the corroboration is there, guys. Can you see? See, the corroboration is there about knowing Zungu Junior and about knowing Zungu Senior from the guys, which is IQs 1 and 2. The corroboration is there. Now, then in other words, Gininda will do anything to make sure he gets away. He will do anything, and it does not look like it's something that he just started. It's something that he does, and he's been getting away with it. It's something that he does, and it's something that he gets away with it. But because right now the sun rays are not on his side. The sun rays are not at his side. Did I say rays? No, right, rays. The sun rays are not on his side, and it looks like the cookie has crumbled, Gininda. The cookie has crumbled, and there is nothing that he can do at this point. Because even if silencing people would be an option, it will look bad on him. The man cannot mention him there in that courtroom, and the next thing, something happens. Now the question is, what is Zungu Jr. going to do about this? Because his father also spoke about how he said he's doing this intelligent work so that he can get promoted. We will talk about that also in a separate video, because promotions look like it's something that everybody was looking so much into. It looks like that is something, but in a nutshell, let's not make this video long. Corroboration is there. Zungu Senior corroborated Muzi Sibiya. That's what I see. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Because wow, Sanalam, the courtroom is on fire. And we will also talk about Judge Rata's demeanor. We will talk about Baloyi's demeanor. We will talk about Sibanda's demeanor. We talk about Nisi in another video, but let's move. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.